Now, a very important and pertinent question. You see, in football, everything is important and pertinent. If you rank it, everything will be equal. We need the fans, we need the coaches, we need coach education, we need young players education, we need the sponsors, we need the government to give us facilities. But if you put it in proper hierarchy, I would say our foundation has to be strong. Now, why do I say foundation? If you do not have good young players, talented players trained in the proper way, you are not going to have very good players in the future. Now, my involvement in football, we have actually sent many players to Europe, and the report comes back when they finish their stint. Mentally they're not strong, physically they're not strong, homesick. It's because our players are like katak di bawah tempurung. We don't want to go outside Malaysia because we are so comfortable here. But having said that, people from UK in England, players from Germany don't go out. You can argue the fact that they don't go out. Why? Simple. Very important factor. They have got a very good system. My question to you today is, do we have a good training system for young players? Here, training system is not only the tactics, the technique. No, not only that. Whether do we give them the right food? Do they eat the right food? Do they get the correct exposure? Do they play right number of matches? In my earlier interview with Tuan Haji Bakri, I did mention this. In Japan, a high school boy plays between 60 to 80 matches a year. Our high school boys play between 5 to 10 matches. School games, yeah? I'm not talking about elite competition. School matches. Our primary school boys sometimes play only, if the system is a knockout system, one game for the whole year. If the school loses, they are totally out of the competition and they don't play football anymore. So the question here is our system right in catering for these young players? Do we have it? If we don't, what should be done? Now, there was a question on how are we preparing our young players? Is it enough? I think we should relook at our approach. We do not have to copy because we have our own DNA. I sincerely feel that we got to look at, study our DNA, and the programs that we plan should be based on this. Now, the sad part is we have all the while used training programs catered for someone else. For example, if a technical director comes from a certain country, a certain club, he brings with him loads and loads of knowledge that he had practiced in his country or his club. The question is whether that is applicable here in Malaysia. There are so many differences in nations around the world. Different in culture, different in nutrition, different in the way we think, the mentality, different in weather. You know, in Japan you can train 3 times a day. In Malaysia you train at 12 o'clock, you will be dehydrated. You will die of dehydration. We only have morning and evening. Okay, so in Europe, clubs train twice. But if our young players train in the morning and in the evening, especially in the morning, then how are they going to go to school? They'll be all falling asleep in school. So we need to do a study, we need to do this based on our strength and our DNA. So, are we in the right track? I don't think so. Do we need to relook at our grassroots and youth education? Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah. I am not against the foreigners who are here. What I'm trying to say is, a foreigner who comes takes roughly about 6 months to a year to study what Malaysia is, and that is a lot of time. Yeah, so if he can come up with an instant plan, knowing our DNA, if a guy who has worked here before in this region especially, Malaysia is unique. You go to Japan, you find all Japanese, but in Malaysia we have Malays, the Chinese, the Indians, the other races. It's a roja. If different people have got different qualities, who knows them better than us? So we should look into that one more time. And of course, a lot of us do not train our young players to eat right. That's very important. Eating right. And this is the gist of it. I will look into this topic much more clearer in the future with other speakers, other coaches who would share their knowledge of what is needed.